Hello, this is just a quick review of a Leff Amsterdam watch. The model it's called a S42 tube watch. This is the 42 millimeter version. So it just comes in a cardboard box and a sleeve. The sleeve has a brass sticker indicating it's a brass watch and the model number and barcode. So the watch comes with the instructions and the description of the watch. You could look at that if you like to. This model, this is the one with the, it's a quartz watch and it has a screw down crown to make it waterproof to, what is it, 10 atmospheres, 100 meters. So that's just telling you how to, well, that's your instructions telling you how to work with it. In the back is a little message. Nobody really needs a clock. That's why our clocks tell interesting stories, not just the time. And you could read the rest of it if you'd like to. And now the watch. So this tab holder, I broke that earlier, but don't worry about that part. That's just to hold the crown so the seconds don't start. So here's the watch. The main reason I'm making this video is because I couldn't really find any great sources of, or views, I guess, of the depth of this watch, which is the reason I wanted it. It has this gear cut. This is by designer Pate Heineck. I think he normally designs furniture, and he collaborated with Leff Amsterdam to design watches and clocks. So he came up with this. So it's a raw stainless steel watch, 316L, and this one happens to be in brass. There's also just a stainless steel version, and there's a black version. Both of them look nice. This is I just wanted a brass one. So there's 3 spare links, and then the crown. So you would push it in, and the seconds start. You could adjust the time. Well, actually, you'd pull it out to adjust the time. And push it in again, and it should just screw down. I'm having a little difficulty with it. There it is. So now it should be water resistant, or at least for 10 atmospheres. So there's 3 spare links and the butterfly clasp. Okay, so I'll try it on. I have a 7¼ inch wrist, approximately, maybe a little bigger. And it almost fits, it's a little tight. So that's how it looks on the wrist. I need to size it to get a better look, but I guess you could figure it out. I could take this off. There's a better look. The light, it plays with light really well. I've noticed that from, at least I could see that in pictures. I couldn't really find much pictures of the depth. I had to look hard. Leff Amsterdam, on their website, they have a few, but it's not much. There's a lot of depth. I'm not sure. It's maybe 4 millimeters. And that's really what I like about the watch. It's just a basic design, nothing special, but that's what's special in it, I would say. Other things about the watch, so it's 42 millimeter case from here to here. 11.4 millimeter thick. So it has a nice wrist presence. It's not the biggest watch, but it's not small either. This is the 42 millimeter version. There's also 38. So if you needed a little smaller, you could do that. The strap is 22 wide. The movement. So even though it has a screw down crown, it's not automatic. It's just a quartz movement. Japanese Miyota 2035, I believe. And it does have a sapphire crystal, so it should be scratch resistant. I'm not sure what else to say about the watch. I really like it. I just opened it, so you're getting the first look as I am as well. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Leff Amsterdam has, I believe, if you sign up for their newsletter, you can get 10% off your new purchase, or as a welcome. I think the code is welcome to Leff Amsterdam. But they normally do Black Friday and probably other specials. I guess you have to look on their site. The price of this one is 349 euros. I think in dollars it's $3.99. Okay, thanks.